Hello and welcome. Are you seeing this annoying lighting error in Unity? Lighting has been disabled in at least one scene view. If I click any lights in my scene, I will get the same light error. Click on this bug icon, the error message showing in console. Argument exception. The provided camera mode GIContributorsReceivers is not registered. The solution is straightforward. Simply restart the game editor. Now click on lights on your scene to verify. Congratulations, the error has been fixed. Congratulations, the error has been fixed. But if you're still getting an error, go check my description for other options. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more Unity fixes. Let me know in the comments if you're facing any other errors. I'd love to help.